You know we live it live, you know we live it live.
Man, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Keep game, man. I got a 6.0 in the cut. Got a diesel truck in the cut. Yeah, if y'all know anything about 6.0s, bro, they're not bulletproof. They're fucked. We got a bulletproof 6.0, but it won't bulletproof enough because now we gotta go take the damn motor out and put a new motor in. We're gonna see if we can get it started and get it moving and get it on the road today. I'm not sure exactly all what's wrong with it, but we'll figure out when we get there. Yeah, so we just pulled up to the country and the fuck my dad listening to? That freaky ass nigga. Anyway, man, we just put up to the country, bro. We got my two 89s right here. Got Lucy, and I still don't have a name for this damn car, bro. Y'all didn't really give me no good names for real, for real. All smoke at the top and shit like that. I don't know what the hell I don't know what I'm gonna name this thing yet. Actually, I'm gonna come up with a name before the end of this video. Bro, what the fuck is he listening to, bro? What the fuck is this? Yeah, so I don't know where we at, bro. My dad always taking me. This nigga always taking me to the middle of nowhere. Bro, what? Bro, where are we? Where we at?
Horizon.
Huh?
Horizon.
Horizon. We at Horizon. Ain't nothing rising over here. Oh, good God. I haven't seen this truck in damn near forever. Here we go. The big 6.0. The big 6.0. The big fucking 6.0. This bitch coming out his grave too. You motherfucker. The fuck is this, a 5.9? The fuck is it? I don't know. Alright, yeah. Big ass 6.0, boy. Y'all wanna see this truck on the channel? Let me know. Let me know if y'all want to see this truck on the channel, bro. And I will bring it to the fucking channel, nigga. Yeah, I ain't built like that. This what diesel look like? Think I'm high as fuck now. Mario 1K would say, eat my balls.
I probably don't. Waste. Oh. Oh, my bad.
Man, I got diesel all on my damn hands and shit. You about to start it? Oh my God. Oh, damn. She's almost there. Come on, bitch, turn over. Yeah, I know this truck does have a name. That smells like glory.
You got it in there?
Yeah. That smells like glory. I'm not gonna lie. This truck already got a name. This truck is named Big Purge. 12 gauge, hella rage. What the fuck?
Better, buddy.
12 gauge caused hella rage, man. The 6.0 is alive in the fucking flesh. Oh my god, my dick is hard. Come here, nigga! Come here, nigga! Yeah, she running. She running too. I'm talking about she running, goddammit. I don't want to get copyright. No copyright, no copyright, no copyright. No copyright, no copyright, no copyright. But yeah, man, she running pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, y'all, so now we got the 6.0. We got Big Purge out of its grave. It's been there for a while. We finna go fuck with these goddamn 89s. We finna go fuck with my 89s, man. Oh, Jesus Christ. We gonna see if we can try to crank up both of these motherfuckers. So, I don't know. All I'm gonna say is pray for me, goddammit. This Mustang ain't cranked up in years. Cadillac was running maybe a couple months ago. I drove it where it was at a couple months ago. But once I parked it, a week later, that bitch never cut on again. So we finna see what it do, man. We finna see what she gonna crank or not. What the fuck?
When I do it, I ain't got it on the battery. I ain't got that bitch on the battery.
couldn't get any of them started. But that's all right. We're gonna have somebody come out here and tamper with these bitches. 5.0 and 5.0. I got 289s that are 5.0s. Ain't that crazy? No, I'm bullshit. If y'all want to see the big purge on the channel, man, more let me know in the comment section down below. We got the tag on this guy. Let me know if y'all want to see Papa Purge on the channel, man. What else? The Mustang did not start. The Lucy did not start. I feel like between the two, they both will crank. They just need some love. But I feel like that Cadillac gonna start. All I need to do is get a battery post for it. We saying bye to Big Purge. Bye Big Purge. Look at that. If y'all want to see more diesel content, let me know. I will get another diesel. I will get a dually for all the dually boys out there. Or I might get a 6.4. Y'all want to see a 6.4 on the channel? That would be insane. I'm not gonna lie. But either way, man. Thank y'all boys for watching, man. Catch y'all boys in the next video, man. I'm gone. Peace.